Hello. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and effortlessly increase views on your Instagram Reels. As you can see, the current number of views on my Instagram Reel is 0. Follow these simple steps, and you'll see how to change that in no time. First, open a browser and go to clickviral.net. This platform offers various services for Instagram and TikTok. To get Instagram views, click on the menu icon in the top right corner. Then, select Instagram Services and choose Views. Next, choose how many views you'd like to add. For this example, let's select 5,000 views to give this video a big boost in exposure. Now it's time to enter the link to your Instagram Reel. Open the Instagram app, find the reel you want to promote, and tap the icon next to the comment icon, the one that looks like a paper airplane or share button. From the options, choose Copy Link. Head back to the website and paste the link into the provided field. Double-check that the link is correct before clicking the next button. You'll be redirected to the order summary page. Here, fill in your email, first name, and last name. Once all the required details are entered, confirm by clicking the Place Order button. The next step is payment. I'll handle that now, and we'll check the results shortly. My Instagram video now has over 5,000 views. As you can see, this method works perfectly, and it is extremely quick and simple. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.